Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Jira Cloud to Zapier, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Jira Cloud to Zapier, start by logging into your Zapier account. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button in the upper right corner. In the Trigger section, search for Jira. Select Jira Software Cloud from the results. Next, choose a trigger event that suits your needs. For example, you can select New Issue to activate the Zap when a new issue is created. Click on the Continue button. You will be prompted to connect your Jira account. Click on Sign in to Jira Software Cloud. A new window will pop up, asking for your Jira domain. Enter your Jira domain and click Continue. You will be redirected to Atlassian's login page. Log in with your Jira credentials. After logging in, you may need to authorize Zapier's access to your Jira account. Click on Allow. You will now see your connected Jira account in Zapier. Click Continue. Now, set up the options for your selected trigger. Test the trigger to ensure it works correctly. Once the test is successful, click Continue. In the Action section, search for the app you want to connect to Jira. Choose the app, for example, Slack. Select the action event you want to perform in Slack. Click on the Continue button. Next, connect your Slack account if you haven't done so already. After connecting Slack, set up the action by filling in the required fields, like the channel and message. Test this action to ensure it triggers correctly. If the test is successful, click Continue. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.